Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can add music to your project on Canva. So what you can do is click over here to audio, unless you don't have this here, so you can click on apps, and then if you scroll down you should find audio over here. And then it should also be added on the left side here. Now, here we can add any music that we want. We can also search for something specific over here. And of course, you need to have Canva Pro for most of the music and sounds that are on this website. But let's say I'm gonna use this one, right? I can just click on it, and then as you can see, it has been added over here on this timeline. I can drag it over here in order to move it. I can extend it if I want to, if there is more added to the presentation, but I can also make it short like so. And this works not only for presentations like this one, this also works for other projects as well, such as, I don't know, like a thumbnail or anything else, or even if you add if you work on a movie, let's say, I don't know, like a video clip. This also works in a similar way. You will find your audio over here, and then you can adjust it if you want to. You can also click on these three dots over here in order to find more options. And if you want to delete it, then simply select the clip, and then you can right click and click on delete track. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.